Geboy, weather rate certified 11 years in a row.
Good morning, Utah. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the work week. We're going to open up with your weather headlines, which include another warm and windy day for today. It's actually going to be very similar compared to yesterday, at least through the first portion of the day. The flood concerns, they do continue, but today will bring some storm potential by later this afternoon and this evening, and that's just going to be the beginning of an active pattern that really ramps up by the time we get into tomorrow. We'll also bring some cooler temperatures, so some relief from the flooding is on the way, but we're still keeping a very close eye on our river levels, and we still have active flood warnings, which include the Immigration Creek, the Ogden River, Little Bear River, and then Garden City. A flood warning means that flooding is either occurring now or is expected to occur, while we have flood watches for Cache Valley and the Lower Weber River, and a flood watch tells you that flooding is a possibility. The flood advisory for Thistle Creek, that does continue in the southern portion of Utah County and northern half of Sand Pete County. The Severe River flood warning, that does continue, and we also have the flood warning that is ongoing for the Dolores River and southeastern Grand County. So again, these are the waterways that we're watching closest, but we're keeping a close eye on all of our water levels. But when it comes to the forecast, highlighting a handful of those, mainly expecting minor flooding, especially for the ones that are included within warnings. The Weber River expected to climb above action stage, and that's going to be near Plain City, so the lower Weber River, while the Severe River, as we go into tomorrow, could actually see moderate flooding. So we're expecting the peak really from today, tomorrow, and possibly into Friday before those water levels will finally begin to go down as the cooler temperatures move in. But here are just a few reminders when it comes to the runoff over the next couple of days. Isolated flooding has and will continue over the next few days. Waterways will continue to be running high, fast, cold, and extremely dangerous. Keep your safe distance from those waterways. Avoid slot canyons, especially in central and southern Utah. With those cooler temperatures will help ease those high flows by the weekend into early next week, as daytime highs will drop back close to where they should be for this time of year. Now here's a look at the bigger picture of what's going on with our weather. Over the last few days, high pressure has been in control. You can see this ridge of high pressure kind of situated over Colorado. That's now working its way down to the southeast, and that's opening up the door to that system you see in California. And by later today, we're going to feel the influence of that system, but it really moves in by the time we get into our Thursday. In the meantime, if you're getting ready to hit the road, head outside. Things are looking quite nice. A beautiful sunrise about to be underway behind Logan Canyon. We're in Logan. We're sitting at 43 degrees. Most of us this morning are waking up with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. And by this afternoon, daytime highs will be very close to what we saw yesterday. Generally 70s and 80s, but Park City will see a high of 65, 56 in Randolph, a daytime high of 78 degrees in Roosevelt, then down in central Utah, 83 in Green River, 71 in Emory, 75 degrees in Richfield, and then down in southern Utah, 73 in Escalante, 79 in Lake Powell, 81 in St. George, and 75 in Blanding. And you might notice down in southern Utah, you have those thunderstorm icons, because today will bring at least the potential for isolated showers and thunderstorms generally from this afternoon into this evening. And while this doesn't highlight the entire state, I think that no matter where you are, there's at least a slight chance that a shower or storm finds you. But keep in mind, not everybody will find a shower and storm today. Now let's go ahead and begin the Futurecast at 2 o'clock this afternoon. In southwestern Utah and the West Desert, we could see those showers and thunderstorms begin to develop. Then along the Wasatch Front, even into this evening, that chance will be there. The chance for wet weather will calm down going into the overnight hours tonight, maybe holding on to a chance in the easternmost half of the state. But then going into our Thursday, as that main system works its way towards us, scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be a possibility for most of the state, along with those strong winds. But by the time we get into tomorrow, we'll start to see we'll start to see things calm down when it comes to our temperatures. But when it comes to the chance for wet weather, I should say, looking at a pretty good chance for our Thursday, then we're going to hold on to the chance for showers in northern Utah more or less through the weekend into early next week. As for St. George, we'll have the chance for isolated showers and storms later today, scattered thunderstorms for our Thursday, a slight chance on Friday, daytime highs dialing back to the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. But with drier conditions for the end of the weekend into early next week, daytime highs will be close to those seasonal averages in the upper 70s and low 80s. Then along the Wasatch Front, that PM chance later for today, scattered thunderstorms for our Thursday, daytime highs by Friday close to where they should be for this time of year. But we hold on to that chance for showers Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and possibly into Monday, as daytime highs kind of settle into the 60s with overnight lows generally in the 40s. Well, let's go ahead and switch gears. Let's check in on traffic. How are we looking out there this morning, Sarah?
Still a calm